on the map. We do it differently out here. Truly authentic talent. Don't believe me? Well, did you know that Steven Spielberg is from Ohio? Marvel movies, the Russo brothers are from Ohio. John Legend, the OJs. We also have Stephen Cable, director of Creed, LeBron James, Halle Berry, Van Hunt, Steve Harvey, Kim Whitley, influencer Logan Paul, MGK, Bone Thugs and Harmony, and so many others are from Ohio. I can go as far back as Thomas Edison with the light bulb and Garrett Morgan with our street lights. How about we fly a little higher and talk about the Wright brothers with airplanes? Watch us make history. 100 days of making movies here in Cleveland, Ohio. Come follow us, Art-in-Me-Org on Instagram, or check us out, hashtag 100 Days Making Movies. 100 Days of Making Movies in Cleveland, Ohio.